Bank Sentral Amerika Serikat atau Federal Reserve kini mengambil langkah lebih hati-hati dalam menentukan kebijakan suku bunga acuan.
Sikap ini didorong oleh kekhawatiran akan potensi kenaikan kembali laju inflasi.
Meskipun data terbaru menunjukkan inflasi masih cukup sulit dikendalikan, laporan dari University of Michigan memberikan proyeksi yang lebih mengkhawatirkan.
Proyeksi inflasi untuk periode mendatang diperkirakan naik menjadi 4,3% dari sebelumnya 3,3%.
Informasi selengkapnya akan disampaikan oleh tim Voice of America langsung dari Washington DC. Berikut ini.
Tarif 25% atas produk impor dari Kanada dan Meksiko akhirnya ditunda selama 30 hari setelah pemerintah kedua negara meningkatkan pengamanan perbatasan masing-masing dengan Amerika Serikat. Tapi pemilik UMKM tetap cemas.
When prices go up, obviously business owners are always hit hardest, right? Because we have to pay higher prices, and then unfortunately, it causes our prices to go up, which nobody likes to see. And so, of course, we're nervous.
We employ most of the people in the United States. It's not conglomerates; it's small businesses. We are the backbone of America when it comes to the business industries.
Setelah lama relatif terkendali, sepanjang 2024, laju inflasi kembali membuat cemas pemilik usaha, pembuat kebijakan, hingga bursa saham. Bahkan ketika data ketenagakerjaan terbaru menunjukkan pasar tenaga kerja relatif resilient dengan penambahan 143.000 lapangan kerja baru.
So if you think about what's moving stocks today, first it was the jobs number right off the bat. We did see a response from the bond market with interest rates higher. And again, that sensitivity between the bond market and stocks have kind of lived up to its billing there. Secondly, we had a report from the University of Michigan. Their inflation expectations came in way higher. So they jumped about 100 basis points. It was the biggest jump in quite a long time. And so again, we want interest rates and inflation to kind of settle in here and go back down. But that was not the case more recently.
Bank Sentral Amerika Serikat memiliki mandat ganda, yaitu stabilitas harga alias mengendalikan laju inflasi dan juga memastikan penciptaan lapangan kerja maksimal. Bila perhatian The Fed sebelumnya tertuju pada pasar lapangan kerja yang dikhawatirkan melemah, maka perhatiannya kini memasuki 2025 justru pada inflasi yang dikhawatirkan kembali meningkat. Bank Sentral akhirnya tak mengubah suku bunga pada pertemuan Januari dan pengamat pun meragukan akankah The Fed bakal menurunkan suku bunga lagi sepanjang tahun ini.
When we think about the Federal Reserve action, and they have been so closely following the reported inflation numbers and reported employment numbers, we may be entering a higher inflation type of environment. So it does suggest that they may want to look ahead and not just wait until the data is reported before they do anything. And if they're really worried about inflation, they, rather than wait for it to get reported, they may try to get out ahead of it, and at the very least, not lower rates.
Pertemuan selanjutnya bagi Bank Sentral adalah pada pertengahan Maret. Dari Washington DC, Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.